Are you one of those people whose work-life balance is a little bit off? Maybe you take things just a little too seriously. Maybe you get a lot of overthinking going on, and sometimes you get tricked by some of those thoughts into believing that the story you're telling yourself is really how things are. It happens to all of us. Don't take it personally. My name's Dave Berman. I'm a life and laughter coach. And what I've found is that through laughter, doing it on purpose as a form of exercise and a rich source of insight and self-discovery, I can help people to kind of get that work-play balance in life going on and take things a little bit less seriously and see through the stories that we make up that aren't necessarily true. You know, thoughts are inevitable, but believing them is optional. And when you discover that you can laugh on purpose from the inside out, and that there are tons of not just health benefits, but social benefits, professional benefits, spiritual benefits, wisdom that you can access from inside yourself just by laughing. It tends to be something you choose to do a whole lot more, and it'll change your life. And so I'm coming around the country and the world sharing the playful path to less stress and more love. That's my latest workshop, and I'd love to see you at one of these events. So look for the details specifically about where I'll be right on this page, and I hope to see you soon.